Ready?
Ready. Run that way. Run that way. Kick it hard. Good job. You did it.
Did you stub your toe?
Yes. Let me see.
What team are you on?
2.
Huh?
2.
Team Mitchell?
Uh-huh.
Say, go Team Mitchell. Hey, look at Mommy. London.
What?
How old are you?
2.5.
2.5? When's your birthday? October 4th?
Yes.
Wow. What do you want for your birthday?
Cake.
Cake?
Mom,
Yes.
can I see my picture?
Well, after we get done videotaping. Are you playing soccer with Daddy?
Yes.
Yes. Who's the better soccer player, you or Daddy?
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy?
And Mom.
Oh, and me?
And Mom. London.
In London? You're so
Come
sweet.
on. Throw it in. Throw it in bounds. Throw it in bounds. Run that way. Run that way. Go after it. Kick it in. Kick it one more time. Kick it hard. Yay! You did it. High five. Good job, London.
Again.